back with another video, and first I just want to start out by thanking all of my subscribers for all your support. It truly means a lot and it truly goes a long way. Having all of you guys' support encourages me to create more content for you guys and also just show you guys more of my life. So thank you guys for supporting me, and you guys are all truly amazing, and I'm extremely grateful for all the support that you guys give me. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into the video. So since it's winter time and it's starting to get a little chilly out, I'm going to be showing you guys my latest purchase, and it's a jacket from North Face. And I'll be showing you guys their new collection and what it looks like, a quick demo of it, and a review for the winter season. So it also has a retractable downdrift vent hood. So essentially the hood can be zipped up and hidden, and you can wear it just as like a normal puffer jacket without a hood, or you can also wear it with the hood when it's raining, snowing, or when you're just cold and you want to cover your ears or whatever. It also has a couple other unique features, including the logo in the front. It has the puffer look, of course, and on the sleeves here you can adjust the sizing, and it also has it on this sleeve as well. You can adjust the sizing on the bottom as well to make it more of like a fitted look or a loose look. And yeah, there's also some other nice features that I'll show you guys while I put the jacket on. So let's go ahead and get in. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop this tag off and try on the jacket. Okay, so it's very comfortable. I already did kind of try it on in the store, but I'm gonna try it on again at home. So I love how like quick and smooth the zipper is. It doesn't get caught on anything. You can kind of just slide it up really quick and easy. And it also has this attachment, so you don't have to actually be grabbing the zipper portion of the jacket. So far, I'm loving the color. I love this purple color. I'm normally like a pink kind of girl, but this color really just popped out to me and I felt like it fit me, so I went with it. But yeah, this color is very, very vivid. You can also see the logo on the back. And you can kind of style the jacket in different ways. So you can zip it up if it's really cold out, or you kind of just want to wear it in a different way. And you can kind of see the trail black color a little bit more when you do that. And you can also see it on the back. And you can also style it. This is not normally how I wear my jackets, but you know, sometimes I do want to switch it up. And you can wear it down like this. You can wear it zipped up a little bit more, or down a little bit more, trying to show your fit. All right, so let's get into some other unique features of the jacket. So it also has a hidden zipper in here where you can store wallets, really anything you want. I would probably just maybe like stick my keys in here or something. But yeah, it has like a little hidden pocket in there. And then it also has some adjusting straps down here where you can have the tighter look that I was explaining earlier. So if you want to have it just more of like the cropped look, because it is technically a cropped jacket, you can adjust that and kind of just like play around with it how you please. But this is how it's going to look when it's cropped a little bit more. I'm definitely a fan of the puffer look. It definitely feels a lot more comfortable and it just looks more stylish in my opinion. Give you guys a look at the hood, the retractable hood. So right now I tighten the hood from the back, so you can actually tighten it as well. So I'm gonna loosen it up a little bit more. And so this is where you can loosen the attachment on the hood and kind of just have like a looser fit if you want. So this is how it's looking with the hood. For me, it kind of flattens my curls, so I probably wouldn't wear the hood as much unless it's like snowing or raining, but still has kind of like a cute mixture of looks you can wear with the jacket. So yeah, that's just a really cool and unique feature of the jacket. So you can just zip it and unzip it. There's pretty good storage space in here. I can fit like my whole hand in here and probably like another person's hand. Like there's really good space in here. Like I really love that. My pockets are super important for me, so. And then just the other side of the jacket where the logo is displayed. Oh, and I didn't even notice it also has kind of like a little logo here. So the 700 logo, this is the series of the jacket. And then you can also adjust the sleeves as well. So if you kind of want like more of a tighter look, I don't like my jackets too tight, but if you want to like have it tighter, you can do that. And then you can also like attach little gloves here if you have gloves. So yeah, just a lot of cool, different, unique features that are on both hands. So if you're looking to purchase a jacket in the wintertime, I would definitely recommend checking out North Face and seeing their new collection. There's a lot of good things to look forward to with their new collections, and just with this Nuptse jacket, it's definitely a good purchase and I'd recommend it. And so that's it for today. That is going to do it. If you guys haven't already, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and feel free to leave comments and give me like, you know, new topic videos, suggestions, or even support. It really truly goes a long way. And so make sure you stay tuned and check out my next video. Oh my god, I can't stop laughing. See, this is what I mean when I just want to go. Okay.